Good evening all. No duty is more urgent than that of returning thanks. I, Dr. Gautam Bojne, co-organizing secretary, deem it a great honor to propose the vote of thanks to all who have helped us in making this international wildlife webinar such a resounding success. I feel honored to express our profound gratitude to Colonel Dr. Professor A.M. Paturkar, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Maharashtra Animal Fisheries Science University, Nagpur, for valuable guidance, constant encouragement, and imminent advice for the organization of this international wildlife webinar. Sir's commitment to motivate us and work under such difficult circumstances is commendable. Sir is a true inspiration for all of us, and we are grateful to him. A million thanks to our distinguished orator, the phenomenal Dr. Edward Ramsey, Professor, College of Veterinary Medicine, University of Tennessee, Knoxville, USA. On behalf of the organizers, I take this opportunity to wholeheartedly thank and congratulate him for his wonderful presentation. The way he explained the topic is outstanding. Although he is a man with white beard, but surely has a heart of a tiger. Today, you have inspired many young minds to take up wildlife as a career option. Besides the critical situation in the US due to COVID-19, the amount of risk and efforts he has put in to make this event a grand success is surely commendable. Our best wishes for all your future endeavors, sir. I must say that we are all inspired by your enormous work, sir. Thank you once again. I would like to propose hearty vote of thanks to our beloved Dean, Dr. A.P. Somkuar, Nagpur Veterinary College, Nagpur, for supervising us with his vision, his extraordinary abilities, and leadership to guide us in this difficult time, and for being always our backbone in our endeavor and for his constant inspiration. I wish to express my sincere gratitude to the respectful Dr. D.S. Nauriya, President, Indian Society for Veterinary Medicine, for providing encouragement and support and giving us an opportunity to organize this event. I would also like to thank Dr. R. Ram Prabhu, General Secretary, Indian Society for Veterinary Medicine, for his moral support and guidance. I extend my sincere thanks to University Librarian Sri Sunil Gawande for providing all the necessary facilities for smooth conduct of this webinar. The word falls short to owe a great deal to our colleague, Dr. Arvind Chauhan and Dr. Shalaka Salvekar for the tireless contribution they have made, and I admit that the webinar could not have been possible in such a short span without their help. And a warm and special thanks I would like to convey for our beloved Dr. V. M. Dhur, Head, Department of Veterinary Medicine, and the organizer of today's event for his vision and commitment to work and its execution with huge efforts and constant dedication for completing this webinar with the huge success. I want to share my views with you that an event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues of our department who know their job and are result oriented. Behind every successful event lie the manifold attempts of our committed faculty of the organizing committee. I would like to take a moment to acknowledge the immense contribution of our dedicated faculty from Nagpur Veterinary College, Nagpur. Deep sense of appreciation and thanks to all the dear participants who choose to be with us and attended the webinar. Finally, I am overwhelmed to see a gathering of 1,617 those who have registered for this international webinar. Due to overwhelming response, the more time may require to deliver the participation certificate. So please bear with us. I thank one and all for being a part of this knowledge sharing fest. Thank you for sparing your valuable time. Looking forward for more such meets. Stay tuned. Have a great evening. And in the last, with the Indian tradition, I must say, with on behalf of my team, namaste.
Namaste.